Hi, Michael Lee. What are you eating? You had some roasted carrots, and now you're having some Taco Bell? Is that cheesy melt? No, that looks good. Oh, thank you. Nom nom. Here, you have a bite. I didn't even like that piece.
Maybe you could take that to Lincoln Canyon tomorrow.
Oh. Oh, we have such a bad cough. Oh, thank you. Oh no, Michael. Do you have a cough? Here. Here, you want another carrot? No, I'll eat it. Oh no, that sounds serious. Come on, it's some of your healthy food. Here. Oh. Okay, bye-bye, Michael Lee. Michael Lee. Michael Lee, that's gross. Bye. Bye.